Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Have you seen this dinosaur following your eyes? Today we are going to make this and understand the science behind it. Before getting into this video, I want to thank all of you guys for your suggestions, for your feedback on my videos. That's helping to improve my videos. Thank you all. Keep supporting like this and I will bring better content for you. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Why we are seeing that dinosaur is following our eyes? Because of human perception. More about science stuff later. First, let's make it. First, you need to download the templates. Links will be in the description. Take a printout of them. After printing, take the scissors and cut it out. Did you know that you can make fake eyes with diapers? If you don't know, I have made a video on that. Go check it out, links will be in the description. You can play with that and have some fun. Be careful while cutting the edges. Make sure you cut it out very neatly. In order to make it like this, you need to fold it. You can find the dotted lines on the print. Follow it accordingly. Start with the head. Fold it very carefully along the dotted lines. The dotted lines are not visible on the camera, but they are clear on the prints. If you are done with the head part, then move to the bottom part. Fold exactly on the dotted lines. Once you have completed folding all the folds, it's time to glue them all. Apply glue to the edges of the folds and stick them. It's looking great, but the real magic happens when you really make it and experience by your own. If you are unable to see it properly, slightly blur your eyes and then watch it again. You can follow the same procedure for different animals. You can find the templates in the description box. So here we have the dragon, the mini dragon and the lazy cow. Crash! It's just a paper, it won't harm you. Why we are seeing that dinosaur is following our eyes? Because of human perception. Our brains classify objects that fit to the objects that we already know. It will take the old information and add it to the new information in order to save the space and energy. Did you know that human brain consumes 20% of the human energy and only weighs 2% of its body weight? Usually our faces are convex in nature, but this is concave. Our brain already have information that our face is convex. This is concave, but our brain thinks it convex. As humans, we can be fooled easily by optical illusions. One of the famous illusions of this type is Necker's cube. Your brain naturally wants to interpret this as a cube, even though it's actually a two-dimensional drawing on a piece of paper. Every one of us know this, as we are drawing it from our childhood. Illusions are fun, there's a lot more coming, and keep watching Infinity Explorer. Do try this at home. It will not take more than 5 minutes of your time. This is just the beginning. There's a lot more coming. This is Ram signing off. Meet you in the next week. Until then, bye bye.